The most popular karaoke mic isn't always the best, especially when you're on a budget. Everyone assumes more sales means better quality, but when you actually test these, the story changes fast. Today, we're cutting through the noise to find the real winners. Product number 1, Vosico All-in-One Karaoke Machine. First up is the Vosico Karaoke Machine with 2 wireless mics. For under $85, this thing feels like a mini concert setup. It's got Bluetooth 5.3, a built-in speaker with 6.5-inch woofers, and even LED lights that pulse to the music. If you want an all-in-one party starter that doesn't need extra speakers or gear, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It works as a speaker, mic system, PA, and even a guitar amp. You can connect via Bluetooth, USB, aux, or TF card. So whether you're using your phone, tablet, or TV, it just works. The echo control lets you tweak reverb in real time, which helps your voice sound fuller, especially in bigger rooms. And with TWS mode, you can link 2 of these for dual speaker surround sound. Over 3,000 sold last month shows people are loving the convenience. Now, some people complained about the lack of a screen and having to buy AA batteries for the mics separately. Honestly, that's a minor hassle, but expected at this price. The bigger issue? No charging port for the mics themselves, so you're stuck swapping batteries mid-party if they die. This is perfect for you if you want one device that handles everything: music, mics, lights, and portability. Skip this one if you already have a good speaker system and just need standalone mics. For the price, it's a solid value if you're starting from scratch. Product number 2, JBL Party Box Wireless Mic. Now, if Vosoco's all-in-one design felt too bulky, the JBL Party Box Wireless Mic is a sleek upgrade, but only if you already own a JBL speaker. These digital mics plug straight into any Party Box model and deliver crisp, clear vocals with almost zero lag. If you want studio-grade sound without the price tag, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The cardioid pickup pattern focuses on your voice and cuts out background noise, perfect for rowdy house parties. The built-in pop filter stops harsh P sounds, and the shock mount reduces handling noise when you pass the mic. With 20 hours of battery life, or 12 with the wireless dongle, you can sing all night. Plus, 10 minutes of charging gives you 2 more hours. Huge for late-night sessions. Now, some people complained about compatibility. These only work with JBL Party Box speakers. If you don't already own one, they're useless. Also, no included charging cable for the mics themselves. You have to plug them into the speaker to charge. This is perfect for you if you already have a JBL Party Box and want reliable, high-quality mics. Skip this one if you're using a different speaker brand or don't want to be locked into JBL's ecosystem. For dedicated Party Box users, it's a no-brainer. Product number 3, JBL Wireless 2 Mic System. All right, that was a solid option, but what if you want even more flexibility? The JBL Wireless 2 microphone system uses UHF instead of Bluetooth, which means rock-solid signal and 0 dropouts. If you want pro-level reliability without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. UHF signals travel farther and penetrate walls better than Bluetooth. You get up to 6 hours of dual mic use with seamless mixing through your speaker. Setup is plug and play. Turn on the receiver and mics, and you're live in seconds. And unlike the Party Box mics, these come with battery indicator lights, so you'll never get cut off mid-chorus. Now, some people complained about the AA batteries. Yeah, they're replaceable, but you still have to carry spares. And again, this only works with JBL Party Box models. No cross-brand support. This is perfect for you if you host frequent karaoke nights and need dependable, long-range mics. Skip this one if you're not using a compatible JBL speaker. It's a step up in performance, but only if you're already in the JBL world. Product number 4, Ultramic Portable Karaoke Machine. Now, if JBL's ecosystem feels too restrictive, the Ultramic Karaoke Machine offers serious bang for under $40. It's smaller, lighter, and includes 2 wireless mics. LED lights, and 5 voice effects, including baby and monster modes. If you want fun, portability, and affordability in one package, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 8-watt speaker delivers surprisingly rich sound for its size, and the 360-degree stereo fills small to medium rooms. You can load songs via TF card, USB, or aux. Great if your phone dies. The mics store neatly in slots on the side, so you won't lose them. And with 4 to 10 hours of battery life, it's perfect for beach trips or backyard hangouts. Now, some people complained about mic range. They work best within 15-20 feet. Also, the voice effects can sound gimmicky if you're going for serious vocal quality. This is perfect for you if you want a kid-friendly, trowel-ready setup for casual parties. Skip this one if you need professional sound or long-range mics. For the price, it's a steal.
Product number 5, Echo Musy Pro Wireless Mics. Finally, if you want standalone mics that work with any PA or speaker, the Echo Musy system is a hidden gem. With 200-foot range, 40-hour battery life, and studio-grade clarity, these feel way more expensive than $50. If you want serious performance without the speaker bundle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 2.4 GHz connection has 0 latency, critical if you're syncing with video or live bands. The cardioid pickup plus DSP noise reduction cuts 90% of background noise, so your voice stays front and center. Each mic has a 1200 mAh battery and USB-C charging. And the auto pairing means no fiddling with settings. Just turn them on and go. Now, some people complained about compatibility. These only work with mic input jacks, XLR or 6.35mm, not aux or phone jacks. You'll need an adapter for some setups. This is perfect for you if you already have a speaker or PA and just need reliable, long-lasting mics. Skip this one if you're plugging directly into a phone or TV without the right ports. For pure vocal performance, this is the best value on the list. So which one's right for you? If you need everything in one box, go Vosoko. Already own a JBL speaker? The Party Box mics are seamless. Want pro reliability? JBL's UHF system wins. Need something cheap and fun? Ultra Mic delivers. But if you just want killer mics for any setup, Echo Musy gives you the most performance per dollar. Drop your pick in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.